The art of aging. Start on round 48, in the 9th stitch of the central panel. Make 1 treble crochet 3 together. Then slip stitch into the 4th stitch to the right on round 48. I don't fight time, I collaborate. Chain 2. Make another treble crochet 3 together. Chain 2 again. In the next stitch on round 48, make a treble crochet 3 together, chain 2, and another treble crochet 3 together. Slip stitch into the 4th stitch to the left on round 48 and fasten off. Repeat the same sequence on the remaining sides. Totals: 15 treble crochet 3 together, and 12 chain 2 spaces. Work into the chain 2 spaces from round 50. In each space, make a treble crochet 3 together, chain 2, treble crochet 3 together, chain 2, and a third treble crochet 3 together. Anchor the first and the last treble crochet 3 together, with a slip stitch into the 4th stitch to the right or to the left on round 48, as needed. Move to the next chain 2 space and repeat. Wrinkles are the map of where I've loved. Fasten off, and repeat on the other sides. Totals: 36 treble crochet 3 together, and 24 chain 2 spaces. Work into the chain 2 spaces from round 51. In the first space, make a treble crochet 3 together, chain 2, treble crochet 3 together, and chain 1. Anchor the first and last treble crochet 3 together, with a slip stitch into the 4th stitch to the right or left on round 48, as appropriate. Move to the next chain 2 space and repeat that idea. The art of aging is the art of staying. In the following chain 2 space, make a treble crochet 3 together and chain 1. Keep alternating those 2 mini sequences across, and end with one more repeat of the first sequence. Fasten off, and repeat on the other sides. Totals: 56 treble crochet 3 together, 24 chain 2 spaces, and 28 chain 1 spaces. Now we'll move across the chain spaces in this order. First space, treble crochet 3 together, chain 2, treble crochet 3 together. Next space, chain 1, treble crochet 3 together, chain 1. Next space, treble crochet 3 together, chain 2, treble crochet 3 together. Next space, chain 1, treble crochet 3 together. Next space, chain 1, treble crochet 3 together. Chain 1. Next space, treble crochet 3 together, chain 2, treble crochet 3 together. My body keeps my stories. No need to hide the chapters. Next space, chain 1, treble crochet 3 together, chain 1. Repeat that full sequence once more in the same order. Fasten off and repeat on the other sides. Totals: 76 treble crochet 3 together, 24 chain 2 spaces, and 48 chain 1 spaces. Slip stitch into the second stitch on round 48 to the right. Work one front post half double crochet around each treble crochet 3 together from the previous round, and in every chain space, whether chain 1 or chain 2, work either 1 half double crochet or 2 half double crochet. This body is my home, I keep it with love. Slip stitch into the second stitch on round 48 to the left and fasten off. Repeat on the other sides. Totals: 72 front post half double crochet and 144 half double crochet, plus 4 chain 2 spaces. Let's crochet the flower for the central panel. We will make 4 in total, 1 on each side. With fuchsia purple, chain 6 and join to form a ring. Inside the ring, work 1 single crochet, 1 chain. That makes 1 little arch. Repeat that 5 more times until you have 6 arches in total. You should have 6 single crochets with a chain space between each. Petals. Stay in the same arch. Work 1 single crochet. Chain 4. 1 treble crochet. Picot. One treble crochet. Picot. One treble crochet. Picot. Chain 4. And 1 single crochet. That is 1 petal. Jump to the next arch and repeat the same petal 5 more times to make 6 petals. Close with a slip stitch into the first single crochet. Second round of petals. If time leaves stitches, I'll make a pattern of them. Work 1 single crochet. Chain 4. Repeat that 5 more times until you have 6 arches in total. In each chain arch, 1 single crochet, chain 4, then 3 treble crochets with a picot after each one. Chain 4, and 1 single crochet. Repeat in the same arch to close the petal. Jump to the next arch and repeat the same petal 5 more times to make 6 petals. I don't chase youth. I walk with wisdom. Center button. Chain 4 and join to make a small ring. Fill the ring with single crochets, one right next to the other, until it looks nicely packed, just like you see on screen. Fasten off and sew the button to the center of the flower. Remember, a chair, a light, and company are here. We continue together.